In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract information using Notion AI, step by step, in a simple and practical way that anyone can follow. If you're working with notes, documents, meeting summaries, or long pages inside Notion, this feature can save you a huge amount of time by instantly pulling out key details for you. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional, Notion AI makes information extraction fast and effortless. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the page where you want to extract information. This could be a document with long text, notes from a meeting, research material, or even a rough brainstorm. Once you're on the page, look for the Notion AI option. You can usually access Notion AI by clicking on the AI button or by using the / command in selecting Ask AI. Go ahead and click on Notion AI to open the prompt box. Now that Notion AI is open, the next step is to type anything you wanted to extract. This is where the real power comes in. For example, you can type something like extract key points, summarize this page, list action items, pull out important dates, or extract names and tasks. Notion AI understands natural language, so you don't need to be overly technical. Just type what you want in plain English and press enter. Once you submit your prompt, Notion AI will instantly scan the content on your page and generate the extracted information for you. You'll see the results appear directly in your document. From here, you can review the output, copy it, edit it, or insert it exactly where you need it. If the results aren't quite what you want, you can simply ask Notion AI again with a more specific prompt, like extract only bullet points, or summarize this in 3 sentences. A really useful tip is to experiment with different prompts to get the best results. For example, you can ask Notion AI to extract highlights, create a to-do list, or even turn the extracted info into a table. This makes it incredibly flexible for different workflows, whether you're managing projects, studying, or creating content. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to extract information using Notion AI quickly and easily. This feature can dramatically speed up how you work inside Notion and help you focus on what really matters, instead of manually digging through text. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.